Behavior of N2 active species in microwave plasma and early afterglows at low pressure. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The excited states in N2 plasma and flowing afterglows at reduced pressure are studied for the plasmas and for the afterglows. The N2 flowing microwave discharges have been investigated by emission spectroscopy in the following conditions: N2 at P is equal to 5 torr, flow rate of 0.3 SLPM, T is equal to 1.5 times 10-3 S, and microwave power of P is equal to 150 watts. Two experimental setups were analyzed, one with the plasma, produced inside a 5 mm EXTDR tube, directly connected to a larger post-discharge tube with a diameter of 15 mm, and another with the introduction of an ANOX mixture after the plasma in the small tube. Under these conditions, the production of N2 plus ions in the plasma and in the early afterglow is done predominantly by electron collisions. After the end of the plasma up to the pink afterglow, N2A and N2XV11 were the excited species at the origin of the N2C and N2 plus B emissions. A self-consistent theoretical model was introduced to explain the production of the N2 active species by particle kinetics. The intensity ratio IN2B, IN2C increased 15 times from the plasma to the pink afterglow. In this setup, the gas temperature was about 1000 K in the plasma and 700 K in the pink afterglow. In a second setup, the plasma end was at 12 cm of the post-discharge tube. The gas temperature was lower, 750 K at 2 cm and 400 K at the plasma end, 3.5 cm. The effect of adding an ANOX gas mixture, used for N-atom titration in the late afterglow inside the 15 mm diameter tube, at the discharge end was studied along the 5 mm diameter tube. It was concluded first that the destruction of N-atoms by NOx decreased the intensity of the N2P and N2B radiative states. Second, the electrons at the plasma end could excite the N2C and N2 plus B radiative states. It was revealed that the destruction of N-atoms caused by the addition of NOx also produced a decrease in the intensities of the N4P and N2B radiative states. The plasma electrons were still influential in the excitation of the N2C and N2 plus B radiative states after the plasma end. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.